Hello, this is Austin from SkipperBud's, and today we have a 2018 Monterey 278 SS in impeccable condition with 300 hours on the boat, indoor stored, in the winter heated. You get your subwoofer, easy access to your batteries as you get on the boat. This is a convertible sun pad. With multiple seating positions. We do have the filler cushion there, and then helm seat, and this seat will both convert as well, so you can have a lounging area or everybody can be looking forward. Nice size head, easy to get into. Storage for your tables, for your bow table, as well as your amps are here, and then all your filler cushions are nicely stored there. Great storage options on the boat. Nice walk-through windshield. Keeps you protected from the elements if it does get a little cold. Digital dash from Monterey. You have the power arch. Volvo Penta engine. This boat is yacht certified, of course. Nice sink. Very nice trash can built in for you. And the tower speakers makes it a fun boat. You can really get the music going. Good sized swim platform. Easy boarding ladder. Easier in the water. Running gear is in great shape. There's an extra prop with the boat as well. Trailer and tires are in good shape. Nice spare tire with the rim. Good jack. Just a good looking fun boat overall with plenty of room for people on board. Give us a call at SkipperBud's.